How to launch meme coins on Pump.fun in under 3 minutes. So to do this quickly for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to view profile. And once you do that, you're going to click on add coin. Okay, so you can add a coin to your portfolio by adding a coin address that you already may have. Or what you can do is you're going to go over to start a new coin. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to give this coin a name. So let's say I'm going to call it this. Okay, this is the name. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and leave a ticker for it. So I'm going to give it $10 as the ticker. You're going to add the description for whatever it is. And once you do that, make sure that whatever meme picture or meme GIF you have is proper and fully operant. And once you have that, simply go ahead and add that meme picture for yourself. It will give you a few more options like giving your links, etc. I'm simply going to skip that. And once you do that, here it says choose how many you want to buy, optional. Okay, so I'm gonna go with 0 and we're gonna click on create. And what this does is, as you can see, it creates a new coin that you can view for yourself as well. So as you can see, here's my new coin, and people can actually start placing trades on it. So that is how you're going to go ahead and launch meme coins on Pump.fun in under 3 minutes. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.